All right, welcome back to Motech Performance. Behind the camera is Jay and I'm Mike. Today we're talking about this M135i. Yep, another one. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, can you change the wheels out? We actually did a vlog on this a couple of years ago, and of course the answer is yes. This customer had seen a number of our videos, in fact probably seen our recent transformation on our green M135i, and got in contact. He'd spoken to his local dealership and they said, no, 18-inch wheels, can't change for 19-inch. That's a little bit of a lie, or a dealer not necessarily knowing. It really is very simple. I'll show you in a minute, but basically you just go to the iDrive, select 19-inch wheels, take the 18s off, put them in, take it for a drive, let the TPMS reprogram itself. So what I'm actually going to do is kind of clickbait this title of this video, changing the part that is the worst part of this M135i. We can't change the engine, we can't change the grille, but we can definitely change the 18-inch wheels. So of course, changing the 18-inch to the 19-inch isn't really a problem, but the thing, we've got to just drop it down a little bit. This customer lives in a particular part of the UK which is really bad for roads, potholes, big curbs, etc. So we're going to run the Ac Schnitzer setup onto it, which is about a 10-15mm drop, real factory. So it'll look like an OEM plus car, bar the wheels, but it will look very factory still. Changing the badges out, going to put all the black ones in, and a drop-in panel filter. So what we're going to do now is get it on the ramp. I think it's going to have a quick 6-month protection as well, so we'll get it in the bay as well, see how it's all looking, and then we'll pick up when we're finished.
So guys, as you can see, the car is now back inside after its winter protection outside. Now, the exterior of the car is now fully protected, ready for 6 months of that winter season, going into spring. And also, as you notice, the wheels were put on just before it went outside. Now, they've been coated in C5 wheel armour, and that is something you can apply at checkout when you're getting your wheels. So, if you are interested in this service, go online, have a look at the detailing page, and you'll be able to see the winter protection, and also when you're checking out for your wheels, you can see C5 wheel armour as an option.
So as you can see, the car is complete. Nice little changes on this one. You can't really say little, it's changed the wheels from 18-inch to 19-inch. And on our MW1 wheel, no need for spacers, looks perfect. Now the customer took off the Goodyears and put Michelin Pilot 4S's on, perfect. New TPMS units in, and as you can see, probably on a bit of B-roll, piece of cake. Change it from 18-inch to 19-inch, press save, go for a drive, car stores the wheels and remembers it. And you can always put the 18s back on, just change it over again. So back to reverse, so from 19 to 18-inch, when you give the car back or sell it on. Customer also opted for the Ac Schnitzer Springs, nice little drop, massive, not a massive amount on these. It's about a 15mm front and rear. It's a little lower at the minute because his original wheels were packed up in the boot. Changed the badges out and did a drop-in panel filter. Nice OEM plus transformation, nothing too extreme, still going to drive really nice and looks a lot better than the horrible 18-inch wheels. Obviously then had in the detailing bay, quick protection. Obviously now the car's going to be loaded back up to transport and sent back to the customer. Let us know so far, or let us know what you think of this M135i, the transformation from the horrible 18-inch to the lovely 19-inch MW1s. Thanks a lot.